Our classrooms are the first boardrooms where future leaders are shaped. With that thought in mind, Presidency University School of Law organized one of its kind event in the campus, the Pro Bono Conclave, which is a nationwide conclave. And we have a very distinguished guest with us today. Welcome to our campus.
Thank you.
Sir, in your inaugural speech, in the address to the students, you said that you have attended a lot of events in your career spanning decades, but this is the first of its kind event which you are attending, the Pro Bono Conclave.
I participated in thousands of programs, but today I am very happy to participate in a very important national conclave on a key subject, that is pro bono. I deeply appreciate, congratulate and thank the Presidency University, the Chancellor, the Principal, the staff and the students for hosting a national event of this importance. And I also appreciate that all over the country, teams representing different parts are participating. The participation is important.
For people like you who have been into this profession since decades, what is that one lesson that you want to give to the students wherever you go?
The lawyers in this country have played very important role in the freedom struggle of our country. They played a very important role in framing our constitution. Even in the Republic of India, in the first 3 decades, the lawyers played a very important role in converting a feudal society into a democratic society, a backward country into a developing country, an agrarian country into an industrial country. Therefore, lawyers played throughout a very big role. Unfortunately, today, lawyers are keeping away from public life and they are more concentrating in their profession and their income. At a time like this, a conclave of this nature will cultivate culture of service to the people of this country.
Thank you for speaking to us, sir. Thanks a lot for coming to our campus.